park at CareAlot, come to the left of the garages as you face them, and this will be the main entrance. This is the future home of a pond and waterfall, so there's materials here waiting. Come and please welcome yourself to the front entrance, which is the first of 8 entrances. We would love for you to sign our guest registry, which we would request that you put your name, where you're from, and the date. And please be welcome to CareAlot. We have the common area, which is our well-used gourmet kitchen, where we prepare a lot of healthy foods. And here is the great room. A little bit about CareAlot and its intention is that it is to be a wellness retreat center, and so over time it is becoming more and more of a place for education and facilitation. We follow the concepts and the values of reclamation and conservation. So for example, the flooring that you see is from grain elevators. We have this beautiful feature here, which is 2 teak roots that have grown together in Indonesia and were carved by an artisan for 6 hours a day for almost a year. There's 36 horses in there. We have also a double-sided fireplace, and please feel free if you need to take the chill off in the evening to go ahead and light that. There should be lighters close by. We have a powder room as an extra bathroom, and here is where you will enter your suite. We have reverse osmosis water for you, and we are a healthy home. So the materials and the fabrics and what have you are cleaned through natural type of cleaners, nothing chemical. We have for you nice bedding. There's lots of layers, so if it's please adjust to the temperature. For your viewing pleasure, we have a Roku system, so just use this remote to turn it on, and just simply the Roku remote home button, and you're set with Netflix or what have you. The windows, you're welcome to open or close, except for the one that's over the vanity. That one needs a little bit of attention, and so it's just very difficult to close. Here, the tub, the jacuzzi tub has a built-in cleaning system, so that if you use the jets, just know that 15 minutes after the jets, whether there's water still in there or not, the jets will go off again to self-clean themselves. You are certainly welcome, because of our conservation, to leave the water, especially your short stay, and we will use that water to put vinegar through to clean the jets for the next. If you're not comfortable with that, by all means drain it. The shower system is on a thermostat. So simply all you do is set your temperature with the bottom dial. There is a little bit of a safety here, so that if you want to go hotter than 38 degrees, you're going to press this button. And then all you do is turn it on to the pressure that you want with the top dial. The vanity area, nothing really to talk about there. We do ask that you use nothing other than tissue in the toilet. If there's any other garbage, please use the receptacle underneath the sink. We're on a septic system, and it does make our septic system sick, and we also get comments from the people that clean it, so we don't want to make that dysfunctional. Okay, so there are clothes in the closet. These are all clothes that are to be commissioned. So you're welcome to look through them, and if there's anything that interests you, they will be sold at some point anyway. If the temperature needs to be a little bit cooled for you, there is a fan for your use, and you do have something to de-wrinkleize your clothes. I think that's it in here. The final thing we'll talk about is we have to set your mood, a little bit of nice lighting. We've got remote control candles throughout the space. I believe there's 7 areas that can be controlled using this remote. And so you just point it at the area, the on button, and there's also a candle mode that you can set them to flicker. So there's one in the holders, a set there. There's up in the plant. There's some in the antique bowl. There are some up in the above the armoire, and then there are a couple of sets above the mirror and the painting, which by the way was done by my mother. I think that's it. I hope that your stay at CareAlot is magical. Of course, the magic is in you, but we enjoy and are honored to be part of your experience.